Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are recovering your own Apple ID tied to a phone number. Once ready, use a browser and go to the Apple account recovery flow. Enter the phone number when prompted. Make sure you can accept SMS or calls on that number because Apple often sends verification codes. If a trusted device is nearby, keep it unlocked and connected. These steps establish you as the account owner and let Apple start the secure verification sequence immediately. Once Apple initiates verification, check any trusted device first. Open Settings, tap your name, and you can read the Apple ID email linked to iCloud. If you lack a trusted device, follow the I forgot prompts using the phone number, accept the code, or request a call. If verification fails, collect supporting evidence like original purchase receipts, device serial numbers, and recent billing details. These details speed up escalated support and prove ownership. Finalizing access means escalating to Apple support when automatic verification fails. Call or chat with support, state you have the registered phone number, and provide receipts or device serials to confirm ownership. Once submitted, Apple may start an account recovery with a waiting period. Make sure your contact info is current so they can reach you. If time-sensitive, visit an Apple store with photo ID and proof of purchase. That in-person verification often resolves locked accounts faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.